Good morning, everyone. All right, so this is going to be a super fun day. Well, right now, I'm at Lamborghini Broward for Supercar Saturday. Let's see, is that an Integra? Someone brought an Integra to a Supercar? No, it's a Prelude. Okay, yeah, check it out. Oh, it's all nasty and riced out, never mind. So, we're going to have Supercar Saturday, and then I'm going to go on an exotic car rally for lunch, or I might go to Tune RS for the pizza, wine, and cars event. I'm not sure what's going on yet. And then after that, depending on whichever I go to, well, regardless of whichever I go to, I'm going to go to Wynwood again for more of Art Basel. Let's get started. All right, first car I'm checking out is this Bugatti Chiron. Now, this is the same Chiron that I was checking out at Exotics on Las Olas, but the artist Alec Monopoly painted all over the car, so it's got like Richie Rich on the side, dollar bills flying all over the place. It's pretty nifty, I like this. Check out the flat black on the back, gloss white in the center. Oh, you got Mr. Moneybags. It's pretty cool. You wouldn't expect someone to paint over a car like this, but hey, you know what? Why not? It's fun. I imagine he probably used plastic dip, so it can be easily removed. All right, so what else do we have out here? We got some Huracans. Let's see. Oh, what's going on here? So this is an Alfa Romeo Giulia Quadrifoglio, and it's all decked out in this Alfa Romeo livery. There you go. Palmetto Alfa Romeo. Oh, maybe this is a dealership's car, perhaps. Oh, nice. This looks really cool. So I guess this was put together by Palmetto Alfa Romeo. I have no idea where that is. Probably in, I'm gonna guess Palmetto, perhaps. There you go. And judging by the stickers, it's got a Akrapovic exhaust. Hey, Ferrari FF. Looks like it's a gray color with a red stripe in the middle. Oh, it's got Montana plates. Look at this guy. Ferrari 360. We got this Corvette Z06 with the big APR wing. Yellow. Oh, nice. This particular R8. The R8 actually wasn't available in yellow. This is a very custom color. This is actually a Porsche color, and I think the original owner had it commissioned or something like that in this color. And this is actually only one of two R8s in this color. So it's actually really, really cool to see it out here. Look at that. I believe it's a V8 R8 with a manual, is that correct? A little hard to see, but it does have a gated manual, so this car is one of two. Really nice. Oh, nice. Check out the livery in this 458. Ooh. So I think this is, I'm not sure whose car this is, but it's kind of a weathered livery. I like it. Looks like it's been racing already. It's got some scrape marks on it. This is kind of cool. Like it's been racing all its life and it's all beat up. Hey, look at that. It's even got the number indicator on it. Then over here is a 675 LT. This is Jeff's car, Jeff Fear. So he's a jeweler out in, I think, Wellington. Let's see, what else we got? We got a Ford GT. You got another Ford GT, and there's a yellow one over there somewhere. What do we got? We got a blue 720S. Beautiful, beautiful color. Hey, 007. Hey, brother. Got a cool Vanquish here. And a AMG GTR. And back there is a Corvette ZR1. Let's see, we got the BMW M5. I think this is Jan's car, Jan Life. Yep, there it is. There we go, Jan Life 1. What else we got? We got Gulf Coast Motorworks is here. In their 650S. We got the Audi R8. Yo! Is it? Hey, it's Devin.
What's up, guys?
What's up, Devin?
What's going on?
Oh, just hanging out, checking out cars.
Yeah, did you take that here?
No, that's not registered yet. But, well, I don't want to get pulled over. But I brought.
Oh, you brought.
Yeah. I had. You know what? because it's funny because I haven't actually announced the cars yet in the channel, so I'm actually going to bleep out all the names of the cars. So people are going to be like, "What car did I get?"
He got the beep.
Yeah, right, pretty much. What else we got? Oh, we got the Audi. No, it's not an Audi. That's the Audi. This is. I was so focused on this car.
GTR in an Audi's color.
Yeah,
Or,
pretty much.
I mean, whatever you want.
It's burnt
The other way
orange.
around, burnt
But no, that's the Audi, which is really cool. I like the big wing in the back and got the dive planes down there.
Yeah.
You know, this is actually kind of well done. And then over here is the 2017 GTR in burnt orange. And
There's a really pretty Performante
we
Spider
go.
on the turntable in there that you should go take a look at.
oh, is that so?
Yeah.
All right, I'll go check that out. Thanks, man. All right, over here is a Lamborghini Performante Spider, and I think this color is Verde Scandal. I'm not sure. I think it is. Look at that. Check out it's got the comfort seats. Honestly, the racing seats are just way too hard. So I'd rather have the comfort seats anyway. Really, really nice. Improves so much of the interior on this car. Lamborghini Broward had the SCJ for a little while on display, but unfortunately didn't have it in time for Supercar Saturday. Got the cool exhaust back here. That's pretty nifty. Oh, nice body colored brakes. Very nice. What else we got? All right, so we're back here at the patio, and oh, there it is. SSC Ultimate Aero. Over here, we got the 600 LT. Oh, this is Dan's new car. Oh, check it out. This is actually the 600 LT we're using to roast marshmallows back at Prestige Imports. There we go. Got the Maserati. We got Jason's Aventador. Oh, nice field of exotics back here. Hey, man. And we get take a Diet Coke. Hey. It's not a product placement for Diet Coke, but if you if you want to sponsor me, that's. All right. So I saw him last year, and he's back. The king is back. Sparky18888. He's here with his Pagani Huayra BC and Koenigsegg Agera. So that's about $10 million in cars right there. Let's go check it out. Oh yes.
Boy, that's all I can go.
We got the Koenigsegg. Look at that, beautiful. And we got the Pagani Huayra BC. Look at all the people around us, holy shit. Drawing a crowd, so we got the 3 hypercars, we got the Koenigsegg Agera XS, we got the Huayra BC, and the Chiron right here. There we go. Doors up. Look at this thing.
I don't want to get the king on video. She doesn't like this.
And over here, Koenigsegg Agera XS. All carbon fiber body. Look at this, carbon fiber wheels. Check out the interior. Red and white.
Yeah, I gotta get out of here.
Real nice.
We got Money Bear here, man.
We got money bears everywhere.
Money motherfucking bear. Don't lose none of this shit, though. Don't let it blow into the car. That's enough money. That's enough money.
There you go. There you get the Money Bear. What are these? Just foam?
Yeah.
Oh, nice.
Well, styrofoam, yeah.
Styrofoam? There you go. Yeah, Huayra BC.
And we'll be back again.
Got Elo way back there. Right there in the middle. Man, this is freaking sweet.
They're fighting it out. Money Bear is always going to win.
So it's red tinted exposed carbon fiber.
How you doing?
There are so many people here. Look at this. Oh, getting up close and personal with the car. Good thing I'm next to it. This carbon cup, carbon tub, carbon chassis. See exposed shifter linkage there. All right, I had to get away from the crowd for a second because it's just like I think pretty much everyone in the entire show is just hanging out here at the next to these two cars. So pretty soon I'm gonna be going out to lunch and going down to Doral for the Exotic Car Society run. I think we're going to the collection suites for lunch, and they have like a whole setup there. And then afterward, I'll be heading down to Wynwood to try to find some more supercars out at Art Basel. Oh no way, Tim's here. All right, so we got his wife's car, which is actually this prism-wrapped Lamborghini Huracan, and Tim just got a prism-wrapped Lamborghini Aventador. So let me try and. It's gonna be a tight fit. Look at this thing. Let me try and sneak over there. So, get past the Huracan. I want to check out this car. He just got this car. So this is Happy Hippie on Instagram. Look at this thing. Really tight space out here.
No.
Look at this, look at this. Oh, I like the spec. White leather inserts on with black leather bolsters. So the underlying vinyl on this is white as opposed to black on this car.
Don't touch it.
Yes, don't touch the car. Fingerprints piss him off.
It really pisses me off. Peace, love, and happiness. Yalla. All right, Tim, leave the door open, bro. It looks great.
Hey, good dogs. Puppies. Look at that. Got a big dog here. Oh, my buddy finally got his AMG GTR wraps. Look at this thing. Man, it looks sick. Kind of looks like there's a mouth there. Some green camo. So, green held Magno camo. And, oh, we got some art going on here. Is this a wrap? It looks like a wrap. Cool. That's pretty nifty. Got the sun there. Look at that. Hey, I like it. It's pretty cool. You got the more camo on the back coming around. Oh, nice. Let's see if we get some revs out of this. Rev it, rev it. All right, guys, lunch rally's rolling out, and heading over to my car, gonna have some fun. Going to Collection Suites, and we're gonna rock and roll.